Let's talk about the 3-year journey. I mean, it's taken a while to get here. Do you mind sharing a bit of that and I guess what it took to get this facility going?
Yeah, it has been a long journey. 3 years with our vision ultimately was to have an indoor year-round facility, which is what we have here. It started back in 2023. Myself, Mike Van Hemmen, and Mike Barron established the club. And along with all our volunteers, it's been a progression from playing outdoor at Blackwell in the summer, booking courts through the city, and then finding partnerships and more volunteers. And we moved into the DeGroots Nursery with the help of John DeGroots and his family there. We installed courts in the winter time and played under the greenhouses, which was pretty amazing. 3 months of indoor play at a greenhouse, which is I don't think has been done anywhere in North America. So and then we continued our play outdoors at Blackwell in the coming years. And then during this whole process, we were always looking for a facility that would be appropriate financially and physically for a facility. And
all right, now we are with Phil Warner. He's the chair of the Player Development Board, and we're going to talk about some of the mentoring that they do here at the facility. So for anybody who's thinking of joining and playing here, do you mind talking about how you guys help with the mentoring and help them grow with their skills?
Sure. For players that come out fresh and are new to the game, we have what we call Learn to Play sessions, which are fantastic. All the basics of the game and work on some of the skills, but it's really just an introduction to the game. But as people get playing more, we utilize levels. For example, a 2.5 is someone that's new to pickleball, and then it goes to 3, 3.25, 3.5, and so on. And we help people progress in their play.
And this coming Saturday, you're going to have a grand opening where you're inviting the public and you're even having free play for people to try it out. Do you mind telling people what they can expect when they walk through the doors?
Absolutely. We have open play from 10 to 2 this Saturday. Everyone from the community is welcome to come in. We have paddles and balls, so even if you don't have a paddle, come in and try playing for a bit. We'll have all the details of our club and how to sign up for play, how to play this summer, from beginners to novice to experienced players. We welcome everyone to come in and just play for free. We'll have door prizes. We have snacks and treats for everybody. So we're welcoming and hoping that the community of pickleball comes and to have a look at what we've done.